A portable washer and dryer is a compact and versatile laundry solution that allows individuals or small households to conveniently wash and dry clothes without the need for traditional, bulky laundry appliances. This innovative and space-saving combination provides an efficient and practical way to handle laundry needs, especially in situations where space, time, or access to a dedicated laundry area is limited. The portable washer and dryer units are designed to be lightweight and compact, making them easy to move and store in small living spaces such as apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or even boats. Despite their compact size, these appliances offer a range of features and functionalities that enable efficient and effective laundry care. The portable washer typically operates similarly to a standard washing machine, employing water and detergent to clean clothes. It usually includes a drum or basin with a capacity suitable for small to medium-sized loads of laundry. The washer may offer different wash cycles, water temperature options, and programmable settings to accommodate various fabric types and cleaning needs. Some models may even feature built-in agitators or pulsators to ensure thorough and efficient cleaning. Once the washing cycle is complete, the portable dryer component comes into play. The dryer typically utilizes a combination of heat and airflow to remove moisture from the clothes, helping them dry quickly and efficiently. Depending on the model, the dryer may feature different heat settings and drying modes to cater to various fabric types and drying preferences. The portable dryer is designed to effectively dry a moderate amount of laundry in a relatively short time, providing convenience and reducing the need for hanging clothes to air dry. One of the advantages of portable washer and dryer units is their ease of use. Most models are equipped with user-friendly controls and display panels that allow for simple operation and monitoring of the washing and drying cycles. The appliances are typically powered by standard electrical outlets, requiring no special installation or plumbing connections. This plug-and-play feature makes them a convenient option for anyone seeking a flexible and hassle-free laundry solution. In addition to their convenience and portability, portable washer and dryer units are often designed with energy efficiency in mind. They utilize advanced technologies to minimize water and energy consumption, helping users save on utility bills while reducing their environmental footprint. This makes them an eco-friendly alternative to larger traditional laundry appliances. While portable washer and dryer units may not offer the same capacity or range of features as their full-sized counterparts, they provide a practical and space-saving solution for individuals or small households. They are particularly beneficial for those who prioritize convenience, mobility, and energy efficiency in their laundry routine. With the ability to wash and dry clothes at their convenience, users can enjoy the flexibility and independence of having a compact laundry setup that fits their unique needs.